police force. You'll be the guest of honor and the main course.
Always trying to spy on me. Turn this into opportunity. Use those pawns for my cuisine. Taxes, better stay away. Chainsaw, use it to fillet. Massacre, humans on my plate. Leatherface is cooking tonight.
It's you again. What great good luck. You never paid me for that picture still. Owe me $5. That's alright. You can pay me later. Or better yet, you can do me a favor. Let my grandpa hit you on the head with a hammer. He's the best killer there is. Makes the best splatter. Then we'll eat your corpse once you're good and dead. And the brother will make a mask with your head. Hey, where'd you go?
Kids are my property. Always trying to spy on me. Turn this into opportunity. Use those pawns for my cuisine. Texas, it's a lonely place. Chainsaw, use it to fillet. Massacre, humans on my plate. Leatherface is cooking tonight.
On a trip to investigate, make sure folks don't violate our late grandfather's grave, then visit his remote old homestay. Stop, pick up a sweaty man, hitchhiking in our van, till he freaks us out and we send him packing.
Off the gas station, pumps are dry, so we park the van. From there we'll try to find a house where we can buy some gas. But all we find a homicidal tax.